What's up guys, how's everybody doing today? I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Grand Theft Auto videos using AI. I'm going to cut the BS, I'm going to make it everything super straightforward for you guys to follow. So let's get into it.
Truth is, you can't trust anyone in the city. It's full of thieves, lowlives, who will do anything for $1.
Is it clear? Yeah, go!
And I play it better than anyone.
So I'm going to be running you guys through the step-by-step process of how to actually do this or make the video. It's relatively straightforward, right? So first and foremost, it's not free. So you guys will see there's actually a promotion going on right now where if you never used the program before, it'll give you 100 free credits, and that's directly through Google. So to get to it, you search up Google Veo 3. So you guys will see it's the one that says Google DeepMind. You'll click on here. So now here you guys go. New users can use Flow for you, charge 100 monthly credits. It's actually a decent amount. So that would actually allow you to make these videos for free. So two, you guys are gonna be seeing here is that there's some videos that I made like messing around. Here's one. His guy at work hates his job. Okay, it's not perfect, right? You guys see the phone is flipped kind of upside down. So let's see some other ones at an age. Get a job. That was a funny one. But you guys see how it's like teetering between like real and like cartoon, like Grand Theft Auto. So it's very important that you have, so the way we're going to be making this is text to video. So you have to know exactly what you want, because that's how the AI will know what to make you. If you don't tell it exactly what you want, its imagination will go crazy. And when its imagination goes crazy, then it's not going to give you a good result, guys. All right. So you guys see the few that I made. So we're going to make a new one. All right. So I'm going to make one live with you guys, but I'm not going to make it. I'm going to have another AI program make it for me. So this is where you could pay for it. There's a free version too. You guys know ChatGPT. So another one is called Claude. So here you guys see, it's telling me that I've returned. So I want to make a Grand Theft Auto inspired video on Veo 3 of a guy driving a car while being chased by police. Please give me a prompt to give to Veo 3 to do this. Alright, so it's just like ChatGPT, right? Just like I told you guys. Okay, so here you go. Here it's giving it to us. So Veo 3 actually has audio too, so what it spits out for you will give you instructions also for the actual audio of the video, right guys? Alright, so we're back. So it's text to video, we're in Veo 3 fast. Alright, so let's see what we get. So it's making us 2 videos at a time. I mean, you can change that to give you 1 at a time, but I think 2 at a time will actually be interesting for you guys to see, right? We are 3 minutes in, and we're gonna already have our first video, right? Because all we had to do was go on Veo, go on ChatGPT, or in my case, go on Claude, ask it to prompt for you. You guys saw the prompt that I used. Now we're going to see the end result of how this actually looks. All right. So here you guys go. So you guys tell me. Looks pretty good. So this is the easy way to do this, because as you guys can kind of see the video, I'm not putting instruction on how I actually want to look. So because there's some people who might want to actually make it look like that, right? Like they are the person who is being chased in the video, or they're the person who's actually the character of what's going on. And we can make that. But if you guys want instructions on how to do that, drop comments below. ask the question, and I'm happy to make that video for you guys. But today we're gonna keep it pretty simple. Alright, so you guys saw I had a video. Alright, I'm gonna do it to 1 because it's faster. So I'm gonna make you guys another one. Now I want a version of a beach party and so you guys see I don't have to do really any work. I just have to ask it or tell it what I want. Here you have a second version of this. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys one more clip. And this one clip is going to be somebody talking. As you guys see, these bottom ones, sometimes they can come out really bad. And that's why you have to play with this and you have to get better at prompting. So I was talking to the AI that it made it look like Roblox. I mean, I don't play Roblox, but you know, it's that kind of like childlike animation. So I said, make it more like Grand Theft Auto. So you guys will see that here. Why is he rapping? I don't know. But anyways, there you guys have 3 examples of the type of videos you can make in that Grand Theft Auto style animation. And you can literally make it do anything. You can't do like violence, so you can't do like people using guns or like crashing into buildings or things like that, right? But if you want to tell a story of some sort, but if you guys have any other questions, let me know. I'm happy to make more tutorial videos of how to actually make these, edit these, put these together, as you guys let me know. Just make this simple short one so you guys can see how to actually do it for yourself. So you might have started seeing these online. All right, peace guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Appreciate it.